Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we are producing, please head over to YouTube, hit our channel, and hit the subscribe button. I guess don't hit our channel, head over to our channel, and then hit the subscribe button. You can follow
Yeah.
Akash and I on Twitter individually, Akash at Mangyeko, and myself at Just Analysis One. Taking a look here at SafeMoon, SafeMoon. It's, when we looked at this on uh what day was it we looked at this guy?
26th.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean it didn't look terrible.
yeah.
But it certainly has nosed dived a lot. And it's really kind of come down into that support zone. And again, like this software will not decimalize below 6 decimals. So I have to use these customized fib levels to separate them out to tenths so you can see where it's at. So it's halted, pretty much right up against the 2 level. And that's a pretty good support zone for a couple of reasons. First is the Chiku span within the Ichimoku system. That's going to one of the peculiar things in the Ichimoku system is that the Chiku span responds to the same support and resistance levels that price action does. So while it looks like there's nothing to stop SafeMoon moving lower here on this chart, there is in fact a very flat single span B that the Chiku span is trading up against. And that is right in the same value area as the 2021 volume point of control. This is a really good zone to me at least, it looks like a very good long entry zone. However, and the other reason I like the long here is it's like 68% down from its all-time high. It's a real big pump and dump, isn't it? It's a real definition of a crap coin. But there's hidden bullish divergence now between the price chart and the composite index. So that's a lot of signs pointing to things overdone. Not saying things are going to go back into full-on bull mode, but we should expect a really good dead cat bounce here. And the RSI has now shifted into bear market territory. So instead of 80 to 90 being overbought in a bull market, we change from 55 to 65 as the overbought levels, and 30 and 20 are the oversold. So it could dip a little lower. But for now, yeah, I see it bouncing a little bit and not very high, like up to, it's sitting here right at 2 even. It'll probably get up to the Kijun Sen at 2.8 or so, sorry, 28. And then if it moves higher than the Kijun Sen up at 33, it would be next. But otherwise, yeah, I don't see a ton of downside pressure here. I see more upside potential than downside continuation. At least that's what I see, Akash. I'm not sure what you see.
Yeah, so I believe the same thing is possible. Let me just share my screen. Right, so the last time we discussed SafeMoon, I was expecting some sort of a rounded bottom stuff to play out here, and I expected it to bounce off of this buy zone here, which ranges from 0.50 to 15 to 302. So this range is where I expected SafeMoon to bounce, and right now it's knocking on the last level here. And I believe I am, bullish as well, like John is. I'm expecting some sort of bullish reaction here, at least up to the 377 level here. And in like an extremely bullish case, probably up to 470. But I see this as a, it depends on if this is going to happen, depends on how SafeMoon is going to react off of this level here. So for the very least, right, I'm looking at a retest of the 377 level here, which would be a 65% upswing from its current position, right? And I also mentioned, like, if we do kind of lose the 79 fib here, retest of the range low here at 109 seems possible. And this is like the lowest low, I think, for now, after this insane upswing that we saw here. So this should hold, and I was expecting some sort of a double bottom to play out here if we ever lost 79 fib here. So I think the only thing I have to say here is that time will tell. But right now I am expecting a bullish reaction off to the 377 level here. So yeah, that's me on SafeMoon.
All right. Thank you, Akash. Thank you, everybody. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.